Mediterranean desserts carry a unique charm, blending health and indulgence seamlessly. In the sunny regions of the Mediterranean, desserts aren't just about satisfying a sweet tooth. They are an integral part of the culture and lifestyle. Core principles of Mediterranean desserts. The Mediterranean dessert philosophy revolves around simplicity and natural goodness. This means highlighting natural sweetness, focusing on fresh and whole ingredients, and cutting back on unhealthy sugars and fats that don't add real value to the treat. Fruits, the heart of Mediterranean sweets. Bright and sun-kissed, seasonal fruits dominate Mediterranean desserts. Whether it's ripe berries or juicy figs, the focus is on minimalistic preparations to let their authentic taste shine through. Honey, nature's sweetener. For ages, honey has sweetened Mediterranean dishes, offering a golden touch to desserts. Apart from its delightful taste, honey is beneficial for health, especially when you choose the pure and unprocessed kind. Nuts and seeds, adding crunch and nutrition. Almonds, pistachios, and walnuts are more than mere toppings in Mediterranean sweets. They add a delightful crunch and are packed with nutrients, making desserts both tasty and wholesome. Dairy, a creamy touch. Creamy textures in Mediterranean desserts often come from dairy products like yogurt and cheese. The key is to choose options that are fresh and have minimal additives. Mediterranean diet-friendly flour options. While baking, traditional flours can be replaced with alternatives like almond flour. It's versatile, nutritious, and gives a nutty flavor to the dessert. Whole wheat and other wholesome grains can also be excellent choices. Classic Mediterranean dessert recipes. Greek yogurt with honey and walnuts is a heavenly combo, simple yet divine. Almond and orange flourless cake offers a burst of citrus and nutty flavors, while Mediterranean fig and date delight is a natural sweet treat without any added sugars. Natural oils, enhancing flavor. Olive oil, a Mediterranean staple, finds its way into desserts, giving them a unique flavor and moistness without being overpowering. Spices, a world of aroma and depth. Spices like cinnamon and cardamom aren't just for savory dishes. They infuse desserts with warmth and depth, making every bite a journey of flavors. Sweet wines and desserts. Some Mediterranean desserts get a touch of elegance with dessert wines. It's about balancing sweetness and enhancing the dessert's core flavors. Chocolate, the Mediterranean way. Dark chocolate, rich and decadent, is a favorite. With its health benefits and profound taste, it can transform any dessert into a gourmet experience. Refreshing sorbets and ice creams. Fruit-based sorbets capture the essence of Mediterranean summers. And for those who love ice creams, there are ways to make them creamy yet diet-friendly. Baking techniques and tips. Baking in the Mediterranean way means ensuring desserts remain moist without drowning them in fats. Slow cooking often deepens flavors, letting ingredients truly meld. Presentation and serving suggestions. Mediterranean desserts are often served in traditional ways, with a focus on rustic elegance. A little garnish can elevate the dessert's look, making it as appealing to the eyes as to the palate. Storing and preservation tips. While some desserts are best consumed fresh, others can be frozen for future delights. Making desserts kid-friendly. Making Mediterranean desserts appealing to kids is about tweaking recipes slightly. Introducing them to these flavors early on can cultivate a love for healthy sweets. Alternative sweeteners, beyond honey. Sometimes, it's good to explore beyond honey. Date syrup or maple can offer a different kind of sweetness, but it's always best to use them in moderation. The beauty of Mediterranean desserts is their adaptability. With a few tweaks, they can cater to gluten-free or vegan diets without compromising on taste. Mediterranean dessert making is an art, blending health with indulgence. It encourages creativity while ensuring one stays true to age-old, time-tested principles of the Mediterranean lifestyle.